I've been taking notes as we've been talking. We started talking about the advantages of standardization to drive down cost and improve architecture. We talked about operational excellence coming with big data and cloud and visualization and making things easier with dashboards for making quick decisions. We talked about focus emerging technology on filling gaps, those areas where something's missing today that completes the picture. We talked about the challenges of culture and people and processes, and we talked about the real challenge in today's reality in the budget climate, which is going to force us to make smart decisions and make sure that anything we are deploying, there's also a way to reduce costs somewhere else. We said a governance framework is a good way to begin addressing it, and it was quickly pointed out that data governance is also extremely important too, as opposed to just traditional ways of thinking about governance. We talked about identity and being a key component, identity and authentication, and if we can get those issues solved, a lot of the other ones fall in place. Looking out to the future, I sort of tried to summarize what we all heard, and what I heard is, when our kids grow up and get into the next workforce, they're going to have this whole model different than we have it. They're going to have, where do I pull in my app when I need it? Where is it? In the cloud, which is going to be a challenge for government, because government, we got private clouds, public clouds, but I think as the trend goes on, there's going to start being this demand for more of sharing of these apps. It's not going to make sense anymore for every agency to be building the same thing if you can go out to the cloud and pull them in, and that'll be a challenge. We'll be moving more towards a government some type of government servicing model, and while agencies focus on mission and the services are available to them that way. We talked about real-time decision making when time equals zero. I think we come to the day where people are going to be able to be everywhere all the time. Wherever you are, you'll be found, and we're not that far away from 3D holograms either, to where you can have an image of yourself somewhere. But anyway, I think it'll change the whole way we work and play, and things that change in the future. With that, I want to turn to some thanks. First, thanks to the panel for taking time from your busy days to be here to share your ideas and your subject matter expertise with all of us. Thanks to our sponsors for allowing us to do the show. Thanks to Federal News Radio and WTOP, and of course, thanks most importantly to our listening audience out there.